Well, guys, it's me, Jonathan the Ham Person. And you probably recognize this little dusty, sandy brick town. And they always use the American biggest, heaviest block, hockey blocky. Very used that brick. And it's really cool. You can see how good this place is. It's called Hockey Docky. Honky Chin Chalky. And yeah, so look, I could be the conductor. Put that down! Well, let's talk to some of the people. Hi. Silverly, your train's Silverly today. Well, you're probably thinking, how do you slingshot them? Well, here we go. First, number one, go to Ching Chong Ching Che in the descriptions in the below. Then put your train by two in the middle of the wheels and swing it until it's stretching your wheel. Put your train Thomas Mini into the middle, like this. Now, it's very easy and simple. You just and if you're trying to get injured, like today, they go to the hospital. So it's very easy, and go and play Angry Trains today in real life. Bye.